Test water parameters. I'm using API Freshwater Master Test Kit. pH solution. Add 3 drops. Shake. Normal pH is between 6.5 to 8. Ammonia solution 1. Add 8 drops. Ammonia solution 2. Add 8 drops. Shake well. Ammonia level higher than 0 ppm is toxic to fish. Nitrite solution. Add 5 drops. Shake well. Nitrite should also be 0 ppm. Nitrate solution 1. Add 10 drops. Nitrate solution 2. Shake well for 30 seconds. Add 10 drops. Shake well for 1 minute. Nitrate levels from 0 to 40 ppm are generally safe for fish. Here's my pond water parameters.